How to know if your chickens are Cajun. What you do is very simple. You get you some crawfish and you dump it. And you go, hey chicken, 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 chickens! Hey chicken, 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 chickens! Hey chicken, 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 chickens! Hey chicken, 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 chickens! You gotta get up in them crawfish, man. You gotta suck them heads. See that? Look. You gotta suck them heads now, you heard? You ain't sucking the heads, you ain't doing it right. Get up in there and get you some of that. Oh yeah, we got some Cajun chickens. Cajun ass chickens. And it makes the meat taste better too. Now stopping it. Chickens can't taste hot stuff. Give him a second. All it takes is a rooster to make that call and his own like Donkey Kong. Let me wander away from there a minute. Let them have some. Oh yeah, make you do the twist around, turn around and drop it like it's hot. See that sound they making? That's a Cajun sound. Only Cajun chickens make. Uh-oh, he finna try to mount him one of them big old roosters. Come on, man. That rooster's a little bit too big for you, buddy. Go to your rope. Go to your rope. Go to your rope. Go to your room. You go to your room. What's up, my guinea lovers? Guinea freak, guinea freak.